Top end speed of Mach 1.6. But where it really makes its money is the transition from subsonic into supersonic flight. With no external stores to carry in a normal configuration, as you can see here today, you can slip through that transonic regime quite effectively. Therefore, if you spend less time in that regime, you burn less fuel and you're more efficient overall. And you'll actually do that transition multiple times throughout one engagement. So the top end speed is not so much of a consideration, but that transition is, and that's where this aircraft really makes its money.
A little bit after 3 o'clock, we'll see the first generation of fighter aircraft. The 5th generation of fighter aircraft.
Air Force Base in Phoenix, Arizona, and they are effectively assigned to a US Air Force squadron. We did about 7 refueling brackets, and as I said, hopped into Hawaii for the night. From there, over to Guam, similar profile the next day, and then from Guam into Ambly last Monday. Jacko now overshooting from his approach.